Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and we have a little chat today about the Microsoft Security Essentials anti-malware, antivirus software. A little bit of a tour of the program, how to use it and how to scan your computer and what all different options mean. So the first thing, if you don't have it already, go to Google and just type Microsoft Security Essentials, download it. If you're unsure on how to do it properly, we have a video on this channel that explains to you how to do it, how to install the Microsoft Security Essentials. If you have a Windows 8 machine, keep note that you already have it, and it's called Windows Defender, and it's pre-installed on your computer. So make sure that you check out for that. Now, if you have Microsoft Security Essentials, you're wondering how to use it, how to know if it's working and everything is okay. First of all, the colors are important. Microsoft Security Essentials will have three different colors. The icon and the window itself. When you click on the little green icon, you can see it here at the bottom right, which is that little green icon that I have right here. This is the icon of the Microsoft Security Essentials, and it's on the bottom right. If you don't see it, maybe it's behind that little hidden icon arrow that you can click. This is the main window of Security Essentials. Now you've got four different settings at the top that you can go through. First of all is Home, where it's going to tell you virus protection in real time is on. It's going to tell you that virus and spyware definitions are up to date. This is where you can scan your computer actually. And this is also where you can change the weekly schedule of your antivirus. So if you want to change it, you can click change my scan schedule, and it's going to tell you. So put it at some period where you know that it's going to be useful. For example, Monday at let's put it at 7 p.m. I know my computer is always on there, and save changes. And yes, it's there. As for the other information here, it says limit CPU usage during scan to 50%. That means that if it's scanning and you're doing something else on your computer, if the overall CPU usage goes beyond 50%, the antivirus is going to stop scanning until the CPU comes back below 50%. Which is a good idea because it can slow down. You know, one of the problems I see often is with AVG. AVG is one of those pieces of software that just starts scanning anytime. And actually, the biggest problem there is that AVG does use a lot of CPU power, and so your computer really slows to a halt when you're on AVG, especially if you have an older computer. So this is a good feature. So back home on the top left, we have the scan options, a quick, full, or custom scan. Now, if you haven't done anything that you think is dangerous, you can perform a quick scan. And this quick scan is rarely more than 5 or 10 minutes, maybe 15 at most. But for most computers, it's really a maximum of 15 minutes of scan. It's only going to check the important areas of your computer where viruses tend to hide out. Your Windows folder, especially System32 and all, your program folder, maybe some of your personal folders, the Internet Explorer or the Internet temporary files. These are basically the places where this is going to scan. If you think that you might have been infected or you've been going around the web without really worrying whatever happened, then you might want to perform a full scan. And another thing also is that if your quick scan is positive, so it tells you, yeah, I found something, then go to the full scan to make sure that everything's gone, because viruses will sometimes leave all sorts of information scattered around your hard drive, and you might want to actually make sure that no little part of virus is hidden somewhere in your computer. So by going to the full scan, you know that it's going to scan every single file of your computer. But now a full scan takes up to several hours depending on your machine. It can be an hour, it can really be 2 or 3 hours. So if you do a full scan, make sure that you can leave your computer on for a little while there. Second is the update. If you click the update, you'll know the latest update that it did, sorry. And it's 5:43 p.m. August 28th. It told me that, it's telling me there that the last update was at 5:29 p.m., which is not even 20 minutes ago. And it also tells you the latest definition, which was created at 11:10 a.m. today. And it has the definition of virus and spyware update, the number. And of course, if it's not updated, or if you think maybe there's a new update, you can click update right here, and it's gonna search for an update on the Microsoft website. If there is an update, you'll see it install. If there's no updates, it's gonna come back with the same information you had. So this is something you can check for if you're not sure, or you're worried that maybe the antivirus is not working like it should. That's a great little way to check for that. The history part of Security Essentials is where you will see quarantined, allowed, or detected items. So if you have viruses that were detected, you have these different sections. All detected items will give you all viruses that Security Essentials basically ran across. If you had viruses, it's going to tell you, okay, I've had viruses, this is the list, and you'll have the names of the viruses, and you'll have a alert level associated with that virus. So you'll basically have level 1 to 5. You'll know, is it really important, and you'll see the date and time when it was detected on your computer. So you can check that to make sure that first of all, to know if your computer was actually came across a virus of some sort. And also you can check that one of the problems that you might see here is, for example, a recurring virus. If you see that every day a virus was detected and it has the same name, you might have something wrong with the computer there. So that could be a time to do a full scan, for example. So this is where you'll see all the viruses and the date and time where it was, the level of importance of that virus and everything. Finally, on the upper right, well, the upper left, but the right side settings is where you'll have all the run, the schedule settings. The default actions is what's recommended, or you can personalize it and say, well, I want to remove or quarantine or everything. Real-time protection is on, or you can take it off if for some reason. The executed files and locations where everything was possibly infected. All that information is here. So it's really a complete antivirus, and it's very useful, very nice, and totally free from Microsoft. So go and get it if you don't have a protection of any kind for your computer. This could be a cool antivirus to have. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel. You might you'll find new videos. You'll know when they're posted online, and you'll also be helping. If you like something, don't hesitate to click the like button, as it really helps in the ranking in YouTube of the videos and the channel. If you have any comments, questions, maybe you have a feature you'd like us to talk about, be it Android, iOS, so iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, Windows or Mac, we're all available, and we will try to do that video and put it online for you. You'll also be helping others if you have any suggestions. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back to the Easy Computer Fixes. Bye-bye.